Hey there, my friends. Have you ever woken up, stretched, and thought, oh no, not again, why does my lower back feel like it's staging a rebellion? I'm Dr. Anna Schneider, a physician with over 15 years of experience helping people just like you conquer back pain. Today, I've got something special for you, simple, science-backed home treatments that can turn that ache into action. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll feel empowered to take control of your body again, and trust me, you deserve that power. Let's dive into a story that might sound familiar, sprinkle in some jaw-dropping stats, and arm you with tools to fight back. Ready? Let's go. Picture this, it's a crisp March morning in 2025, yep, today's March 23rd, by the way, and you roll out of bed, excited for the day. Maybe you're planning a walk in the park or just tackling your to-do list. But then, bam, that sharp twinge hits your lower back. You freeze. You're not alone in this, millions of people feel this exact sting every single day. I've seen it in my practice time and time again, hard-working folks, parents, athletes, even desk warriors, all sidelined by a pain that feels like it's calling the shots. But here's the good news, you don't have to let it win. Today's story isn't about defeat, it's about you reclaiming your strength. I'm here as your guide, your cheerleader, and your friend who's been in the trenches of back pain research for over a decade. So, let's break this down together. What's really going on in that lower back of yours, and how can you fight back from the comfort of your home? As a doctor, I've spent years studying the spine, and let me tell you, it's a masterpiece, but it's not invincible. Your lower back, or lumbar spine, is like the unsung hero of your body. It's made up of 5 vertebrae, cushioned by discs, and supported by muscles and ligaments. It carries the weight of your upper body, twists, bends, and lifts, pretty incredible, right? But when something goes off balance, maybe a tight muscle, a stiff joint, or even stress, it can scream for attention. Here's a stat that might shock you. According to the World Health Organization, about 80% of adults will experience lower back pain at some point in their lives. That's 8 out of 10 of us. And get this, a 2023 study from the Journal of Pain found that over 600 million people worldwide are dealing with chronic back issues right now. You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not helpless. The question is, what's the one thing you wish you could change about your back pain today? Drop it in the comments, I'm dying to hear from you. Now, I've treated thousands of patients, and I'll let you in on a little secret, the best healing doesn't always happen in a clinic. It starts with you, at home, taking charge. Why? Because small, consistent actions beat out fancy equipment or endless appointments every time. These home treatments I'm about to share aren't just band-aids, they're tools to rebuild your strength, ease your pain, and remind you that you're tougher than you think. Let's be real, back pain can feel like a thief, stealing your energy, your plans, even your joy. But today, we're taking it back. You don't need to be a doctor or a gym guru, just someone who's ready to say, I've got this. So, grab a comfy spot, maybe a cup of tea, and let's get into the good stuff. 5 home treatments you can start today. The best home treatments, your back pain toolkit. 1. Heat therapy, your warm hug for tight muscles. First up, heat therapy, think of it as a cozy hug for your lower back. When your muscles are tight or inflamed, heat boosts blood flow, relaxes those knots, and tells your brain, hey, it's okay to chill. Studies, like one from the Archives of Physical Medicine in 2021, show heat can reduce pain by up to 50% in some cases. How do you do it? Simple. Grab a heating pad, set it to medium, and place it on your lower back for 15 to 20 minutes. No pad? No problem, a warm towel or even a hot water bottle works wonders. I've had patients swear by this, saying it's like flipping a switch on their stiffness. Try it tonight, tell me in the comments how it feels. 2. Gentle stretching, wake up your spine. Next, let's talk stretching. I know, when your back hurts, moving feels like the last thing you want to do. But hear me out, gentle stretches can loosen those locked up muscles and improve your range of motion. A 2022 study in the Spine Journal found that people who stretched daily cut their pain scores by nearly 30% over a month. Here's my favorite, the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back, bring one knee toward your chest, hold for 20 seconds, then switch. Do it 3 times per side. It's like giving your spine a little pep talk. What's your go-to stretch? Share it below, I might steal it for my routine. 3. Core strength, build your body's armor. Let's get to the core, literally. Weak core muscles are like a shaky foundation for your spine. Strengthening them doesn't mean crunches galore. Start small with something like the plank. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, rest, repeat 3 times. Research from the British Journal of Sports Medicine shows core exercises can slash back pain recurrence by 40%. You're not just easing pain, you're building armor. Imagine walking taller, lifting groceries easier, feeling unstoppable. Start today, even if it's just 5 minutes. You've got that strength in you, I see it. 4. Posture check, stand tall, feel strong. Number 4, posture. I've caught myself slouching at my desk, so no judgment here. Poor posture puts extra strain on your lower back, but fixing it is free and instant. Sit up straight, shoulders back, feet flat, bam, you're a warrior. A 2020 study in pain medicine linked better posture to a 25% drop in back discomfort. Try this, set a reminder every hour to check in with your body. Stand tall, breathe deep, own your space. It's a game changer. How often do you catch yourself slouching? Let's chat about it. 5. Mindful breathing, calm the storm. Last but not least, mindful breathing. Stress tightens your muscles, and tight muscles fuel back pain. It's a vicious cycle. A 2023 study in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine showed that 10 minutes of deep breathing daily reduced pain perception by 20%. Here's how. Sit quietly, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat for 5 minutes. It's like hitting reset on your nervous system. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. Try it now, how does it feel? Let's talk facts. The American College of Physicians says 1 in 4 adults deal with back pain lasting over a day each year. That's millions of people who could use these tools. And here's the kicker, a 2024 survey found that 70% of people who tried home remedies like these felt relief within a week. That's you in the driver's seat, not the pain. I've seen it in my practice, patients who went from wincing to winning, all because they took action. You're not a statistic, you're a fighter. These aren't just tips, they're your ticket to freedom. Which one are you starting with? Tell me, I'm rooting for you. So, here's your challenge, pick one of these treatments, heat, stretching, core work, posture, or breathing, and try it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. You've got the science, the steps, and the spirit. I've watched people transform their lives with these tools, and I know you can too. Back pain doesn't define you, you define it. You're not just easing an ache, you're reclaiming your power, your pride, your life. I'm so proud of you for being here, taking this step. Now, let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below. Which treatment are you trying first, and where are you watching from? Are you in New York, London, Hanoi, Sydney? I want to cheer you on from every corner of the globe. Thanks for hanging out with me today, my friends. I'm Dr. Schneider, and I'm here to remind you, your body is yours to command. Hit that like button if you're ready to take back control, subscribe for more tips from your back pain buddy, and let's keep this journey going together. Share your wins, your questions, your stories, I'm reading every comment. Until next time, stand tall, breathe deep, and know you've got this. See you soon.